I need to do part 3. Hey, give me your scooter. Lady, give me your scooter. Thank you. Yes, oh my god. Wait, shit. He doesn't care about girls right now. I don't care. Yo, this scooter is the death penalty. Yo, Wei Shen don't care. He'll hit anyone. Oh! Oh crap. Oh my god. Wei Shen doesn't care about anything right now. Wow, Wei Shen. Can you be an asshole more? Beep beep. Beep beep. Out of my way. Out of my way. Motorcycle. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Yo, that guy's... Yo, come here. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Beep beep. Oh! How can a scooter not make that? Oh my god. Hey, how you guys doing? Oh shit. They're gonna be on me. I didn't do anything. I'm just passing through. To get to a location shorter. Beep beep. Need a ride? Beep beep. I'll give you a ride. I'm my asshole. No, I don't need a... Ah, it's okay. I'm almost there. Mrs. Chu, I figured out who killed him. Don't worry. Mrs. Chu! I'm coming! Be gunning up my location. You doing? Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh god! Oh, the people! The people! Okay. I know what I'm doing.
Mrs. Chu?
你知冇啊 ？Sammy 佢細個嗰陣，佢每日都喺呢個廚房度食嘢，坐喺嗰度靜靜地食飯。而家佢會做出咁樣嘅嘢。
Sammy?
Doyeyes.
Doyeyes did it. Is that what Johnny told you?
幾多錢都唔值得。阿偉啊，呢種生意會令人黐線。
是啊。
我叫 Winston，
係
我錯㗎，我鼓勵佢。而家揾佢帶佢嚟路。
She's a little psycho. I'm a little terrified right now. I feel bad for Doyeyes. Come here, Doyeyes. I'm coming with my scooter. You shall not escape me, boy. Wei Shen is on the case. Up your ass. Oh, wow. Wow, you can't do that with a motorcycle because motorcycles are way schoolier than that. No. Shh. Hey. Yeah, you can't do an E-turn with this car. Scooters or motorcycles. Oh, that was easy. I'm like right there. Oh, that is not what you want. Let's do this shit. Jump over that. I'm looking for your boss, boy. Don't you hide him from me. Don't you hide him. I know he's here. You can totally hear me. But it's okay.
Alright, got the shit.
Right here.
Check it, Lau. What is the man? Stop messing
Well,
around.
what the fuck?
Come
man?
here, boy.
Let's work something out here, okay?
Ew! They don't run like that.
Oh shit! Move!
Hey! Where you running? Doyeyes, where your asshole going? You're me, huh? Is that what you say to me?
Hey, you suck off Winston before he died? Huh, Wes? Or were you just kissing and feeling each other up, huh? Mimi, she wasn't shy like that. No, you flashed a little dope and the panties disappeared.
Yo, I'm gonna fuck you up when I get. Holy shit! I got so much air. How is that not like getting big air right now?
Talk to ask questions. You got it, Wes? Huh?
How did I? What? That was like the biggest I ever gotten in this game. Oh! Oh no! Oh, shit! Almost ran into that. Fuck you, man. I know you trying.
What's going on?
Duke, get down to the docks. I'm gonna need a pickup now.
Got it. On my way.
Come here. I'm coming to get you. Oh shit. I'm coming to get you, boy. Dog guys, don't you run from me. I got you. Where you? Oh. Screw you, Doyeyes.
You don't know what you're messing with, shit, huh?
Bye. Oh, he was so curious to he waited for my ass.
Gotta get yourself killed, man.
你咪走啊！係啊！
屌，撞到人啦你！
有識撞死人咩？
Oh. What the? I pressed X.
Kill that fucking guy, huh?
Get that fucking guy, ah. Come here, I want you.
You're gonna die screaming, Wei. Huh?
No. I was pressing the button.
You don't know what you're messing with, shit. Huh?
Oh. He like back kicked me. Yo, I fell the wrongest way. And I want that asshole. He needs to go first. I totally forgot how to fight that.
You're gonna die screaming, Wei. Huh?
Oh.
Go for his eyes. His eyes.
Get out of here. Give me your cock.
You don't know what you're messing with, shit. Huh?
Oh. Get that asshole out of my face. Here, have some fishes, boy. You're gonna have some more fishes. And guess what? You. Ow. No, come here, boy. No, I want you to eat some eels.
Give it up, you fuck. Break his fingers. Make him suffer.
Oh no, he's got a weapon.
Hit him in the neck.
No. Come on. Get out of here. You, come on. Get the shit out of here. Oh, screw this. Where's that knife at? Where's your knife at? Oh, you. Prick. Why can I not run with that asshole? Don't you run, boy. Don't you run. I'll come and get you. Oh! Takedown! Oh! Come on. No, you want some? Oh! You little prick. Come on. I'll counter all you assholes. Come on. You want some of this? Oh, I don't think so. Oh shit, I'm so dead. Oh, I don't think so. Yo, this hook. Oh. Hang up, you guys. Stay up there. Oh my god, that's so bloody. Dog eyes, where you running to?
What the fuck you want, man?
You've done some bad things, Sammy.
What did you call me? Huh? Nobody call me that anymore.
Oh, Sammy, what are you?
Calling your fucking sister, isn't it? Huh? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Wake up, little brother. It's not like I put that needle in her arm. You can't take this stuff personally, Wei. It was business. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, business, eh? Give me your arm.
Look, if you don't like it, you take it up with Big Smiley. He's the one who needs the pussy. I was doing my job. Fuck, man. Is this what this is all about?
Yeah, and Winston, and Peggy.
Fuck!
You're coming with me.
Look, maybe we can cut a deal. All right, stop all this shit, man. And I'll make sure that Big Smiley cuts you in on one of the side business. Maybe the fucking whole damn thing.
I don't think so, man.
We can be generous, okay? Yeah, he's gonna be the future chairman of the fucking Summer Yi.
Yeah? You and Big Smiley are pretty close, huh?
Yeah, we're tight like motherfucking brothers.
Yo, who I don't know who this asshole is.
We were tight too.
Alright, what's the button I need? Give me the button.
Get him! Get him now! Oh yeah. Your time,
Fuck you, man.
Make him suffer.
No! No! I was pressing triangle!
Give it up, you fuck!
Oh! Bleh. Wei Shen, you fall in the weirdest ways at times.
Get him! Get him now!
Get out!
Oh yeah. Take your time, boys. Make him suffer.
Oh! Those two of his assholes!
Give it up, you fuck! You had enough, huh? I can do this all night.
Shut up, man. Get your assholeness out of here. Wow! No! Get out! Fuck you, man! This is not down there. Yo, I did like ultimate kill. Yo, come here. Come here, man. I want to do the same thing to you. But I gotta do this, boy. Ow. Ow. Oh, I know where I'm getting you. Get in the trash, boy. There was like shit in there. Ow. Come on. Get the fuck out of here. I took off your hat. Ah! You fucker. Come on. Fuck me up. Take that combo. Get over here. Do it again. Boy, you get up here.
Listen,
We ain't done.
You're gonna regret this.
Come here. We're just gonna do it.
Come on, man. It's so long ago.
Wait! Wait up! The car's over here!
Oh shit. Fuck off, man. Now get in. Alright, drive my ass. Drive my ass.
Where are we
Okay.
going?
To the restaurant.
Okay.
Let's go.
What? Really? That was shit.
Listen, you're gonna regret this.
Fuck you, man. Duke. You asshole. I told you to get in the car. Oh, oops. My bad again.
Wait,
Dog eyes.
Way up. The car's over here.
Stay in the car, Duke. Jeez. Now take
Where are
me.
we going?
To the restaurant.
Such an asshole.
What's going on?
We're bringing him to Mrs. Chu. She has something she wants to tell him.
Mrs. Chu. All right.
Yo, that was a dick move. What happened? I don't know what happened.
We could take care of this ourselves.
No, no, no.
Believe me, I'm tempted. You and me handle this and it'll happen fast. This son of a bitch deserves the worst we can give him.
You're the boss, Wei.
Yo, that is. Hey! Hey! Shut. Get out of here! I don't want any business, man. I want trouble from you guys. Come on. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Oh!
Coming up there. No, no, no. Wait. Pick up the car.
No, no, no! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get your tires out of here! I want to deal with it! Holy shit! Don't worry, I'll handle this shit. Where's that last guy at? Is this it? Yo, that was stupid! I didn't do anything!
You think we're weird of them?
We'll see.
I didn't do anything! Fuck off! Get out of here, you stupid car!
Some good driving there.
Thanks, man.
Come here, boy. You need to meet Mother's Wrath time.
Oh, what the fuck you doing, huh? Wait.
Sit down and shut the fuck up.
Jesus, I haven't been here in fucking years.
Sammy 啊，我為咗你一路開住個廚房，你睇我留埋啲骨喺裏面，你中意噶嘛？係咪
It's
啊？
cool, Mrs. Chu. I already ate.
你同我
No, no, no,
食晒佢，食咗佢。
Wait, hey, what the fuck are you doing? I'm not fucking hungry.
Yeah, it looked like a piece of eel.
Sammy，你避下我面，我特登為你做噶，
It looks like someone's ear.
唔使驚，唔係淨係你一個人，你個朋友 Johnny 啊，老鼠仔佢都喺度啊。
What the fuck? He's crazy.
佢而家大湯裏面，或者我將你放喺煲湯裏面。
Holy shit.
Have a problem with me? Then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
Sorry. It's nothing personal. Just business.
Oh God! I'm sorry, please, stop!
Oh, you do not mess with Mrs. Chu. She will chop you into little pieces and be like, yo, I'll kick you. I'll kill you. Huh. Ooh, man. It gives me goosebumps when you think about it. well, shit's gonna happen, you know. What are you gonna do? Alright, well, I'm back in my apartment. Yay, for me. And, yeah. It's really, oh, okay. Uncle Paul wants to see you. Come to the hospital. Big Smiley and Tuchin and Aunt Jane are waiting. Fuck, shit's going down already. I'm so nervous I can't content it. So nervous I'm going to save and do it later. Haha. How's that? Well, you guys, I'm saving. This is gonna be divided in 3 parts. Hope you guys enjoy each one. I totally enjoyed this. And yeah, please hit the subscribe button if you're a new subscriber. If you are a subscriber and you enjoy this and you want your friends to, you know, want to have a good time watching it with you, if they have channels, should subscribe also. I'm just saying, they should subscribe. So I will see you guys later on the next installment when I have to go to the hospital because Uncle Poe wants to see my ass. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Right, peace. I need to do part 3. Hey, give me your scooter, lady. Give me your scooter, thank you. Yes, oh my god, wait, shit. He doesn't care about girls right now. I don't care. Yo, this scooter is the death penalty. Yo, Wei Shen don't care. He'll hit any Ah, it's okay. I'm almost there. Mrs. Chu, I figured out who killed him. Don't worry. Mrs. Chu! I'm coming! Be gunning up my location. You doing? Oh! Whoa! Oh! Go! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Yo, that guy's. Yo, come here. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Beep beep! Oh! How can a scooter not make that? Oh my god. Hey! How you guys doing? Oh shit. They're gonna be on me. I didn't do anything. I'm just passing through. To get to a location shorter. Beep beep! Need a ride? Beep beep! I'll give you a ride. I'm an asshole. No, I don't need one. Oh! Oh crap. Oh my god. Wei Shen doesn't care about anything right now. Wow, Wei Shen. Can you be an asshole more? Beep beep! Beep beep! Out of my way! Out of my way! Motorcycle.